rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Good morning, everyone. This is Gary K, and you're joining me for a special video edition of my Rants and Raves because we're going to do a product demo for you. And in fact, we're actually already doing it, and you didn't notice it. Isn't that right, Carl? Carl Harvell from AVer. Hey, Carl, how are you?
I'm doing great. It's been a great year for AVer and kind of a great year for you too. I've been following all of your stuff and like the show, man.
Well, you were in a perfect segment of the market when all this happened because you make USB cameras and you make other USB devices. And in fact, you're talking on my new favorite USB bar, which is a personal bar. No one really has a personal bar, and you do. You have the VB, was it
130?
130, VB130.
Yeah, the VB130.
Yeah, hold that up for me if you will, because it's not like a typical USB camera. Hold that up. There you go. Hold that up. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Keep that up.
Yeah,
Keep that up just a second. And I want you to go full screen so everybody can see it. So you can see that has a little white ring around it, which we'll talk about in just a second. In the middle of it has a camera, but this is like one of those speaker bar, video bar products that you would normally see in a conference room, but it's for your desktop, and it's got a mic array, it's got speakers, camera, and light all built into one.
Oh yeah. It's part of a product line that we came out with that one of the main differentiators was the light array that was kind of built in. Here's a Cam 130, kind of its little brother that doesn't have speakers built within it. But essentially what we did is that we wanted to make a video bar that, you could use in conference rooms if you wanted to, as far as huddle rooms and focus rooms. And in fact, they actually been certified with Teams well, this one's been certified with Teams. The video bar is about 98% done. With Zoom and everyone else, but this one is actually small enough to sit on top of a laptop, 17-inch monitor, very lightweight, and essentially the 5 microphone array that's built within it has a lot of big features. For instance, you can see right there the little indicator that has an audio fence built in, so anything outside my field of view right now is negated. So for instance, if I were to talk right now and do a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa! So the audio
12,
cut
13,
off.
14. Oh yeah,
that's really neat. So that's going to cut off all the noise in the room around you.
Oh man, right now I'm currently within my living room. So I turned it off. This is my living room. It's got a wide field of view lens, so it could be great for remote teaching, remote learning. If you're having to teach a guitar class or something of that nature, and you got to see everybody's field of view. But outside right here, my family's usually walking around just living life, and I'm in the living room right now. My farm participants never hear it. Whenever the gardeners come by and they have that loud leaf blower right around the corner, it really helps out a lot.
Can you demonstrate that one more time? I want to make sure you stay full screen here and demonstrate that one more time. Talk and walk out of frame.
Okay, hold on. Let me reset up the portion here because we have different modes on this. It's got an automatic framing mode. It's got a voice tracking mode. This, like I said, this is a small video bar, but it's got a lot of powerful features on it. So the mode that I'm talking on, or that I kind of set up, was called the audio fence. So with the audio fence, it's got a narrow view fence, a medium view fence, and a wide view fence. So
whatever it sees is where the audio is going to fence.
Exactly.
That's remarkable. So then as you move out of frame.
Yeah, so as I move out of frame, so I'll do it again. I'm going to do A, B, C, D, E, F.
What a great demo that is.
S. Yeah, so I've been doing that for my demos. Doing it for webinars and stuff like that I've been putting out there, and it's been great. People have been loving it, especially within the education industry.
So that's only available on the VB130 because the Cam 130 doesn't have that, I'm assuming, because it doesn't have that capability, or what?
Exactly. It's got the same lens, same sensor, same sock chip, and then the light array. The light array is actually pretty cool because it changes between a warm light and a soft and a cool light.
Yeah.
And it's got a built-in sensor, so it could automatically detect what kind of lighting it is. But yeah, the sock chip in there allows for the automatic framing and moving around, so you could actually have a little bit of tracking with it as well.
So if you're going to be selling into cubicle land style environments, that VB130 is a killer product because then people can be working around you and not affecting the call. So this is the product. This is the solution for people that are used to working from home with cameras and now have meetings on video all the time that want to go back to the office. And what's nice, if everybody had this, it would solve the problem where everyone having conversations at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, because headphones are great. I still use a headphone every once in a while, especially when I want to ensure that I'm the one hearing the sound and everything like that. But man, you start using headphones for more than an hour, your ears start getting warm. This video bar has been tremendous for me. I mean, it's got a single 6-watt speaker within it. The sound's actually pretty good with it. But myself, I go between the audio framing when I'm in a public area like this in my living room. When I go back to my dungeon, I call it, but essentially I built a focus room out of my master bedroom closet. When I'm in there, the video bar is great because it handles it just like a focus room. And so, I got one of those standing desks that goes up and down. The lens on there is so wide. Not sure if you saw it before, but it can handle a pretty wide space. So very versatile video bar with a small form factor. You can put it on top of a monitor, below, off to the side.
How much does it weigh?
Less than 2 pounds.
Okay, so it could even actually sit on top of a laptop monitor then.
I wouldn't put it on a MacBook Air, but yeah, on my gaming laptop that I have, it works well.
All right, look, all you got to do is go to AVerUSA.com, check out the VB130 and the Cam 130. They're available now. I'm excited because mine is on the way, so I'll be able to be starting to use that. I'm excited about this, and we have a great partnership with AVer. I really appreciate it, Carl. Thanks for joining me today, and of course, thanks for watching this live demo on my rants and raves.
Guys.
rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.